So we're here today looking at this beautiful piece of property, massive live oaks. Also doing a little dirt work, gonna clean the trees up, take 5 gum trees out, and also take a big dead tree hanging over the power line. The erosion coming through, it's just eating his bank out, he's losing it. What he's wanting to do is divert that to flow another way. He owns a ton of property, it flows straight to the river, so he's actually in the best position to be able to get with the Corps engineers and just divert that to where it goes straight to the river and quits washing his bank out, and he's not going to be able to flood anybody downwind because the river is where it goes. He's at the end of the line. Most people aren't that lucky. Look, I just want to say this: hiring a licensed tree guy, a licensed arborist to be able to handle your project is very crucial. Everybody says they're a tree guy until something happens and the insurance denies them. Make sure you hire a licensed professional to take care of your trees, especially when they're 100-year oaks, they're over power lines, and they're over your house. License, remember that.